The main important topic in digital logic circuit is NAND or NOR relations using De Morgan's theorem. What is the De Morgan's theorem? When we consider the De Morgan's theorem is A plus B plus C whole bar equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar. When we represent the De Morgan's theorem in the logical gate form, we find that the A plus B whole bar, A plus B plus C whole bar equal to NOR gate and is equal to A bar dot B bar dot C bar, means A complement, B complement and C complement. Output of the A bar, B bar, C bar is applied to the AND gate and get converted into the bubble AND gate. When we consider the NOR gate, first De Morgan's theorem, we find that NOR gate equal to bubble AND gate. Second, when we consider the second De Morgan's theorem, it is find that the A, B, C whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar. And A, B, C whole bar is the output of NAND gate and is equal to A complement, B complement and C complement. Output of the both complement applied to the OR gate and it is equal to bubble OR gate. The expression of second De Morgan's theorem is NAND gate equal to bubble OR gate. We should remember both the expression NOR gate equal to bubble AND gate and second is NAND gate equal to bubble OR gate. When we consider the any logic function representation with the help of NAND and NOR gate relations, we can take the example of this. Suppose we realize the by equal to AB plus CD plus EF using NAND gate only. First of all, step first, we write the expression by equal to AB plus CD plus EF, and after that make this expression with the help of basic logic gates, basic building blocks. Suppose A, B, C, D and EF is the summation of these three equal to by. It means that we use the OR gate and apply input is AB plus CD plus EF. AB is the output of AND gate. We can take the second diagrams. AB is the output of AND gate, CD is the output of AND gate, EF is the output of AND gate. Both of the output of AND, all the three output of AND gate apply to the OR gate. Or this is the basic building block. We know that if any inverter is placed in front of any one, we find the A bar, and again we apply the second inverter, we find A. It means that two consecutive inverter there is no change. We apply the first bubble in that AND gate and second bubble at that AND gate and third bubble and that AND gate. And for the compensation, we applied the first bubble, second bubble, third bubbles. And we find the same circuit and first bubble, second bubble, third bubbles and apply to the compensations, first bubble, second bubble, third bubbles. Or this is we know that according to De Morgan's theorem, bubble OR gate equal to NAND gate. It means that bubble OR gate equal to NAND gate, we replace this circuit with the help of NAND gate only. We can take the simple example of this and make the circuit at that place. The whole circuit expressions is become bubble OR gate equal to NAND gate. We can take the simple example of others. Realize by equal to A plus B into C plus D using NOR gate only. This is the product of sum and expression by equal to A plus B and C plus D. We find the second step, basic building block. It is the output input of two OR gate with the it is the input of A plus B and C plus D applied to the AND gate only. A plus B the output of the simple OR gate and C plus D the output of second OR gate, and A plus B and C plus D output applied to the AND gate only. In the same way, apply the bubbles. The first bubble is applied to this place and second bubbles is applied to this place, and for this compensation of bubbles we applied the first bubbles and second bubbles. According to De Morgan's theorem, bubble AND gate equal to NOR gate. So we replace this bubbles AND gate with the help of NOR gate only. The whole expression will become by equal to a plus b and a plus b and c plus d using NOR gate only, and we apply the by equal to ab plus cd plus ef using the NAND gate only. Thank you.